In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Xero error reports, including the frustrating "something went wrong" message and the endless spinning wheel timeout issue. If you've tried running a report in Xero and it just won't load properly, don't worry. I'll walk you through the exact steps to fix it quickly and get your reports working again. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important fixes. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Xero tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's fix the "something went wrong" error inside a report, such as the profit and loss report. Start by logging into your Xero account. From the top menu, click on Accounting, then select Reports. This will take you to the full list of available financial reports in your organization. Next, open the specific report that's giving you the issue. In most cases, this happens with reports like the profit and loss, but the same method works for other reports as well. Once the report loads, go to the bottom left corner and click on Edit Layout. This is where you can control how accounts are structured inside the report. When the Layout editor opens, look at the Layout Tree panel. You need to locate a folder called Unmapped. This folder contains accounts that haven't been properly assigned to a reporting category, and this is often what triggers the "something went wrong" error. If accounts are sitting inside Unmapped, Xero can struggle to generate the report correctly. To fix this, click and drag each account from the Unmapped folder into the correct category folder. For example, move expense accounts into the appropriate expense section, or income accounts into the correct revenue category. Make sure every account is placed properly and nothing important is left inside Unmapped. Once you've finished reorganizing the accounts, click Update to save your changes. After updating, run the report again. In most cases, the error will now be completely resolved. Now let's move on to the second common issue, the spinning wheel or timeout problem. This usually happens when a report is trying to load too much data at once, especially over long date ranges or when certain advanced options are enabled. To fix this, start by opening the report that's stuck loading. At the top of the report, click on the Date Range dropdown. If it's currently set to a long period, such as multiple years, change it to a shorter time frame, for example, this month or this quarter. Shortening the date range reduces the amount of data Xero needs to process, which often fixes the timeout immediately. Next, look for the Columns option, or click on More depending on the report you're using. Inside those settings, find the option labeled Running Balance. If Running Balance is checked, uncheck it. This feature can significantly increase processing time, especially for large datasets. After adjusting these settings, click Update to reload the report. With a shorter date range and running balance disabled, the report should load much faster and the spinning wheel should stop. If everything looks good, you can gradually expand the date range again if needed, but keep performance in mind when working with large volumes of transactions. And that's it. You've just fixed both the "something went wrong" error and the spinning wheel timeout issue in Xero reports. These two fixes solve the vast majority of report loading problems inside Xero. If this tutorial helped you fix your Xero error report, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Xero guides. I'll see you in the next video.